Yesterday afternoon market sell call started, sell signal, red color candle open. That red color candle continuous bearish momentum, market is going downside direction. Today up to 11 o'clock. Today after 11 o'clock, market is going upper side direction and breakout, buy call green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will give calls like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video like this daily, you just need to watch this chart. This chart will analyze the candle movement. Once the candle breakout happen in live market, it will give the calls like a signal. Through this call, you can do your intraday trading. Today, the buy call, buy at 48,200 came, and on daily basis, we are standard basis analyzing in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. So today in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart, Monday market, Jan 27th market, buy call came at buy at 48,200 range. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry line. Above line a target line, below line is the stop loss line. 200 is the entry line, 320 is the first target. It's a 120 point first target range. After a volatile, it was a heavy volatile market, but still it break out the target. Like this call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the plan detail. Thank you.